Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star so large that our entire solar system disappears inside it. Not just Earth, not just Jupiter, every planet, every moon, every asteroid, gone, swallowed by a single star. This sounds impossible, but it exists, and its name is Stephenson 2 to 18. For most of human history, we believed our sun was unimaginably large. It dominates our skies. It contains more than 99% of all the mass in our solar system. Every planet, every comet, every piece of dust is trapped by its gravity. Compared to Earth, the sun is a giant. But compared to Stephenson 2 to 18, our sun is almost nothing. If our sun were the size of a basketball, Stephenson 2:18 would be larger than a skyscraper. Trying to understand its true size breaks the human mind. Because this is not just a star, it is a monster located nearly 20,000 light years from Earth, hidden within one of the most crowded regions of the Milky Way. Stephenson 2 to 18 is one of the largest stars ever discovered. Its radius is estimated to be more than 2,000 times larger than the Sun. Numbers like that sound impressive, but they don't feel real. So, let's make it real. If Stephenson 2:18 replaced our Sun, Mercury would vanish, Venus would vanish, Earth would vanish, Mars would vanish. The giant star would continue expanding outward, swallowing the asteroid belt. Then Jupiter, then Saturn. Even Saturn's magnificent rings would disappear inside the star's burning atmosphere. The edge of Stephenson 2:18 would extend almost to the orbit of Uranus. A star so large that entire worlds would exist inside it. And yet, somehow, this is only the beginning of the story. Because the most terrifying thing about Stephenson 2:18 is not its size. It is that stars like this should barely exist at all. Every star is fighting a war. Gravity is constantly trying to crush it inward. Nuclear fusion is constantly pushing outward. For most stars, these forces remain balanced. But for a star this large, maintaining that balance becomes incredibly difficult. The bigger a star becomes, the more unstable it grows. Its outer layers expand. Its atmosphere becomes thin. Its structure becomes fragile. It begins to resemble a cosmic bomb waiting for the right moment to explode. And Stephenson 2:18 is already nearing the end of its life. Right now, deep within its core, unimaginable amounts of energy are being produced every second. Enough energy to power civilizations beyond comprehension. Enough energy to outshine hundreds of thousands of suns. Yet even that energy cannot last forever, because all stars have a death sentence. And the larger the star, the more violent that ending becomes. One day, Stephenson 2:18 will run out of fuel. When that happens, gravity will finally win. The core will collapse. The star will die, and the universe will witness one of the most powerful explosions nature can create. A supernova. For a brief moment, the dying star could outshine entire galaxies. Its explosion would unleash more energy than our sun will produce during its entire lifetime. Shockwaves would race through space. Radiation would spread across thousands of light years. The remains of the star would become something even stranger. Perhaps a neutron star, perhaps a black hole, a cosmic grave marking the place where a giant once lived. But there is another detail that makes Stephenson 218 deeply unsettling. We still don't fully understand how this large form. Astronomers have models, theories, simulations, yet objects like Stephenson 218 continue pushing those limits. They remind us that the universe is still capable of creating things larger than our expectations. Things that challenge our understanding of physics. Things that make our greatest achievements look microscopic. And perhaps that is the most humbling part of all. Every city ever built, every empire, every war, every human being who has ever lived jigs on a tiny world orbiting an ordinary star, a star that is completely insignificant compared to the giants hidden throughout our galaxy. Stephenson 2-18 does not know we exist. It does not care. It burns in the darkness, thousands of light years away, silently reminding us of a terrifying truth. The universe was not built to human scale. It was built for giants. And somewhere in the darkness of the Milky Way, one of the largest stars ever discovered continues to burn, waiting for the day it finally dies.